Take a ride in the 2021 Blazer. Chevrolet Blazer is fun to drive around town, comfortable to ride in, and decently capable off-road. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, rear performance, integrated turn signal mirrors, privacy glass, remote trunk release, tires, front performance. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.